We just got done putting some wood on the outdoor bench here, something I've been meaning to do for about, I don't know, 4 or 5 months now. Finally got around to it today, but give you a real quick look at the outdoor bench now. I put 2 LED security lights on it. Those are the same security lights that I have over the door in KJ's shop. And they're solar, and they charge obviously from the sun and turn on with motion. So they definitely light it up out here quite a bit. Now, of course, I have KJ's lights on the shop, but it most definitely helps. It will definitely light up the bench here if you're working on it. I like it a lot. I did get the rest of the wood for that bottom shelf today too, so I'll be able to finish that up. Now I have to get the pegboard, because I'm going to put pegboard back here. And as you can see, this is all dry. It rained while we were away. You see how this is wet? This is all dry. So that pegboard will stay dry. I should be able to hang tools on it. We're so far off the road up here that I really don't think that we're going to have any problem with theft. So that's the plan. The outdoor bench.